Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reinstall the EA app without losing the games. So in order to reinstall the app, reinstalling the EA app won't delete your games because your game library is linked to your EA account, not the app or your computer. So here's what you need to do. First, search for the control panel. Go to the search bar, find it there. Then click on uninstall a program or remove a program and locate the EA app and right click on it and select uninstall. After it's uninstalled, go to ea.com in your browser and download the latest version of the EA app. Once the updated version is installed, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Launch the EA app and log in using your existing EA account credentials. So that's how you can reinstall the EA app without losing your games. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.